Just got my Maxx fan deluxe. This is an unboxing video. We'll show you what comes with it. This is the 75K model. There's several different models. There's a 5300K, 6400K, 5100K, 62, 7000, 75,000K, and that's the RPM of the fan. So we're gonna unbox it here for the first time, see what comes with it. So here we go. Looks like it all comes out one big thing here. Yep, one big thing. Nicely packed in here. More cardboard. There's some stuff in there. Looks like we've got our instructions, installation instructions right there. This is the remote. Let's just see what that looks like. Oh, and there's some screws and some batteries in there. And it does come with a holder for the remote, so you can hang it up, probably by your bed or a chair or something in your RV or camper. And it's got a lot of features on it. We'll go through those when we go to install it. I'm going to do an install video as well. So this is the fan itself. So it does have a cover to go up into your ceiling, so that's nice. It does come with this other bag that's got the installation screws. Look like they're stainless so they don't rust, which is nice. And this is the underside right here. It's got the different functions on it. Open, close, hold, set, auto, or you can set to a certain temperature, 75 degrees. That's in or out. You can change directions on this, on and off. And this is to manually open or close it, so that's real nice. And this all goes up and down on its own. I'm gonna leave this on here just so it doesn't get damaged while we're installing, but we'll take this part off here. So this part is the part that you attach to the roof in your vent hole, and then there's the holes for the screws. So it should be pretty straightforward, pretty easy install. So that is it. Just doing my editing. I forgot to tell you that there will be links in the description. They're affiliate links, and they do help the channel and help me get more stuff for the bus. So I appreciate it. So I went around the roof and put this on there and set it down, got it centered, and then used a punch tool to mark all my spots. So now I know where to drill, and need to put some butyl tape on the bottom side of this. That's what I'll do next. Got my 2 layers of butyl tape on there. Started drilling the holes, and just make sure everything's straight. So now I got all the holes drilled and the screws put in, so now I'm adding the self-leveling caulk to all the screw holes. Probably bead around the edge too, just for funsies. Okay, got my lap sealant self-leveling caulk all around the edges. I'm gonna let it sit up for a little while before we put the fan on. Now that I gave the lap sealant some time to set up a little bit, we've got to move that guy on top. And then there's 4 screws on the sides that we'll put in. Got the 2 outside screws on this side, 2 outside screws on that side, Now I get to take the protective plastic off. There it is. It is there. All ready to hook the wiring up. Okay, it is running. I've got a temporary line just hooked up to a boat battery, and it does come with a shroud that comes down. So once I get my walls done, it'll look better. It does have a remote. Let's see if I can get it so you can see the remote here. Fan on and off. You can change your speed, change your temperature. So it does have a temperature on the remote that will read the air temperature. See, our speed's 30%. You can barely hear it. We'll crank the speed up here. So now we're at 100%. Still very quiet fan. You can close the lid, open it more. This is to change direction. So when you hit that button on the remote, it will stop the fan and then change its direction. So you can see it sucking stuff out. So that's coming in, and you can just hit it to change the direction back. Done, hit the power button. Automatically closes. And there it's done. When you're ready to do it again, turn it back on. Automatically opens. And automatically fill the air hot very fast. It's a really good fan. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hopefully, I'm trying to do a video at least once a week or a short with progress and updates. My next project, picked this bad boy up for $75. It doesn't run. Ordered some parts for it. We're gonna do a video on getting that guy running for the kids, and I thought it might be nice when the bus is done to put on the back, so we have a little form of transportation to get around. So if you like that kind of thing, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It does help, and we'll see if we can get to 1,000 followers. That's my goal for the next 2 months. See if we can get there. So I appreciate everybody's support, and thanks for following along.